In this video, I want to quickly go over selecting a niche that you can profit from. Now, you're going to want to make sure that you target groups of people that are passionate enough to want to spend money and buy your shirt online. So some examples are, let's say, professions, people that are proud of their profession. For example, nurses and firemen. Now, shirts that are targeted to those groups of people do very well through TeeSpring. Another group you could target are sports fans. They're very passionate about their favorite teams. You could also target pet owners, and you could also put political statements on your shirts if you want to send out your message. So, for example, if you support or are against a certain political figure, you could make a shirt about that. Now, another thing you could do is go to Google Trends and see what's trending right now. The thing is, if you make a shirt about something that's trending right now, that's popular, what people are talking about, you're more likely to get more likes and to get more viral traffic to your campaign.